Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mart. In this video, we will try to list best 5 espresso machine. We tried to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get start with the video. Number 5. Illy Y5 Espresso. This connected Illy Y5 Espresso capsule machine is enabled. Whether you're in the mood to savor a full-bodied espresso. For exclusive use with Illy Espresso capsules and coffee capsules. The innovative Espresso capsule system makes cafe-quality espresso with ease. Perfect for compact and small spaces. Please check the description for details and update price.
Imagine a coffee machine that could do more than brew extraordinary espresso and coffee. An intuitive and convenient way to manage your morning. Customize your coffee break. And with Amazon Dash replenishment, never run out of coffee.
Number 4. iCook LN6827. Multifunctional. Built-in steam wand. Removable water tank. Self-priming system. 2-year warranty. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Delogi ESAM 3300. Patented cappuccino system frother that mixes steam. Easy to use rotary and push button control panel. Grinds beans instantly with the patented, compact. DeLonghi machines require half the cleaning time of other brands. Utilize DeLonghi's specialized call center for help in setting up. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Mr. Coffee Cafe. Semi-automatic 3-in-1 espresso maker, cappuccino maker, and latte maker. 15-bar pump system brews rich-tasting espresso coffee. Trouble-free automatic milk frother removes the guesswork. One-touch control panel for drink selections. Easy fill, removable water, and milk reservoirs. Please check the description for details and update price.
Toffee latte, cafe mocha, espresso martini, caramel cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.
And number 1. DeLonghi EC155. Use convenient pods or ground coffee with the patented dual-function filter holder. Easily prepares latte and cappuccino with the swivel jet frother, for perfect drinks every time. Eliminate annoying startup preparation with the self-priming operation. Always brew espresso at the perfect temperature with 2 separate thermostats. Enjoy delicious espresso for years to come with the durable, Please check the description for details and update price.
In order to properly clean the steam wand, you must begin by removing the nozzle from the steam wand. Thoroughly clean the nozzle with a warm, damp cloth. Then run the nozzle under warm water. Using a needle, clean the openings on both sides. Dry the nozzle and replace by inserting it back onto the steam wand. It is recommended that the steam wand be cleaned every 200 coffees, or approximately every 3 months.